Excited ka ba? May mananalo ng 18 million na kotse.
Sumali ako actually.
Sumali ka?
Wish ko lang makasali ako, but a Porsche, why not? Happy ako, excited.
We took a grab tonight just in case we win. So we can get that back.
Smart. How are you guys doing? 2025, how's the year starting?
I'm very good. It's still taping kami. We just finished our show. Finished Shining and everything.
Yeah, and I'm still currently doing Lilette Machas, Trinity Law. So.
You guys look exactly the same as you did like 10, 20 years ago. Pwede bang share naman the fountain of youth secret?
Wala naman workout. The one thing that I've been doing lagi na feeling ko, yun yung nakapag-happy sa akin, is workout. And I sleep.
She sleeps a lot.
I mean, I sleep good. Kunwari, I sleep at 9 p.m. I'll wake up at 8. Ganun kahaba.
Anong sikreto ng longevity niyong dalawa? Ilang taon na kayo?
45 ako.
Hindi, yung relasyon nyo.
Ay, relasyon ako.
21, 22.
21, magsa-20 sa August.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pero kailan lang kayo kinasal, di ba?
Mag-3 years.
Oo, di ba? Saya-saya nga nun eh, parang...
Sa amin naman parang feeling ko matagal na kami kasal. The way we treat our relationship, parang simula pa lang. Ganun na yung treat namin, parang kasal lang kami. So yung kasal namin after, parang normal lang.
Would you recommend yung ganyan to other couples na parang you can get to know each other first, live together before, you eventually...
We live together after 8 years, hindi biglaan. And we courted new one, parang mga 1 year.
Grabe.
Nagligawan pa kami, walang online nun, diba? Tawag, sulat, ganun kami.
Alam mo, klase ka rin sumagot sa bashers, di ba?
Tama lang. Sagot nila ko minsan kung anong level nila, then hindi yung level ko.
Ano yung parang issue na parang may sex video ba kayong dalawa?
Wala kasi may interview kami.
Oo.
Then sabi nila, nanonood ba kayo ng porn? Sabi ko, no, but we have our video together. Pero sabi lang,
Part of the exercise ba?
well, we video each other. Tapos kapag bored siya, sisend ko sa kanya sa kwarto, sa baba ako, napanood ko ba? Baka na may excitement.
Pero pag nasa the farm kayo, nakahubad kayo talaga doon sa ano? Sa villa nyo?
Sure.
Well, no, they say we always make it in the farm. Minsan lang, but just so timing, wala ko. We felt na parang ang ganda ng light, ang ganda ng araw, ang ganda ng panahon. So, nagubad lang kami, pero hindi naman lagi.
But I know you guys got a lot going on, your businesses, your company. Was there ever any regret to take a step back from showbiz at some point bago kayo ulit?
Actually, no regrets naman. But now I just did a show and I enjoyed it and I miss that parang fun and how amazing this job is. Pero still, I still prioritize myself, my pawn shop, my family. Showbiz talaga for me is more on the fun side. Hindi ko before talagang bread and butter ko siya na I gotta work. Now I gotta work, but I'm okay. I'm happy with where I am. I can get whatever I want. My needs are always there, but with what we have now, we can do whatever we want. But showbiz is still, I like it. Diba?
Same. I'm taping like 3 days a week, sometimes more. So other than that, mga family lang. Lahat are all in school. So still time for us. Balance lang.
My last question, so because you guys benefit from creating your own home videos, would you recommend that to other couples? Like, what are they missing out on if they don't try it at least once sa buhay nila?
Dapat lagi. They, alam mo kasi also, for the girls, para they see their look. They see what the guys like. And also, I like the reaction of the guy or the girl kapag something's happening. And I wanna see, ay, ganito pala yung reaction niya. Ay, ganito pala yung look ko. Ay, ganito pala yung tsura ng katawa ko. I need to stomach it more. Ay, masyado palang, yung chan ko, yung puwet ko, ganyan. Ganun ako lagi. As in,
Kasi direct.
Conscious ka.
oo, saka kailangan maganda pa rin yung angle ko. Parang nasa movie. Okay, next, ayusin ko yung paa ko, ang pangit. Ganun.
May director ka pa. Oh.
Oo, saka